Bacteria are everywhere. Some of the bacteria are good and we need them to function properly, but the others can create havoc. When these bacteria and viruses are in the air you breathe, your health is at risk. It is the inhaling of these viruses or bacteria that helps to spread coughs, colds, influenza, bronchitis, tuberculosis and other infectious agents. By breathing cleaner air, the WHO states that you can reduce the risk of stroke, heart disease, lung cancer and respiratory diseases such as asthma. So clean air near you are good to breathe. Cleanliness is the prime requisite for clean air near you. Clean air near you with surface cleaning and disinfection. Kitchen and bathroom is the thriving place of bacteria in our home. Dust comes from windows and doors. Microbes found in home dust are mostly staphylococci, streptococci and bacilli. Their number increases in public places. How long bacteria and viruses can live outside the body depends on what type of surface they are on. If surfaces are moist, bacteria and viruses survive for more than dry surfaces. Some cold viruses can survive up to 7 days on indoor surfaces. Surface cleaning like dusting, broom, mopping may dilute the concentration of microbes and reduces the level of exposure. Clean air near you with tree plantation. Bacteria thrive in warm, humid and dark atmosphere. Relative humidity, carbon monoxide, ozone were the main factors which affected the diversity of total bacteria and the proportion and composition of pathogenic bacteria. Bacteria and fungi in the airborne fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, play important role in the atmosphere and provide significant impact on human health. If there is leakage in walls and roof, fungus and termite grow in humid environment. Plants remove pollutants from the air by absorbing the harmful gases through their leaves and roots and stabilize humidity. Eco Park near home helps to reduce the concentration of bacteria, virus and fungus by controlling humidity in air. A person would need plants to be in a room with about 10,000 leaves. About 300 to 500 medium-sized plants would provide the right amount of oxygen. Soil microorganisms in potted plants also play a part in reducing the level of dust. Clean air near you with well ventilation and filtration method. Some bacteria and viruses thrive and circulate through poorly maintained building ventilation systems. Humans are the main source of infectious diseases in the home and workplace. Ventilating homes reduces moisture levels, a major problem for indoor air quality. Sunlight and ventilation kill the germs in your home. Another great alternative is to use exhaust fans which help carry pollutants outside. Extra moisture in the air which can cause mold and mildew growth by turning the fan on. Beeswax candles are also helpful to remove common allergens like dust from the air. Salt crystal products tend to reduce airborne irritants, pathogens and allergens by pulling water vapor out of the air. In the presence of essential oils of cinnamon, oregano, rosemary, thyme, grapefruit, lemon, clove and tea tree, virus, bacteria and even mold cannot survive. Simple precautions like coughing, sneezing into the bend of your elbow can reduce the spread of airborne viruses and bacteria. Clean air near you with clean clothes. Germs on clothes and towels can come from your body. We all have bacteria on the surface of our skin, in our noses, in our gut. 50 million individual bacteria are on human skin. For many, body odor is a reflection of a microbial population residing in the armpit and the bacteria living on your skin surfaces and inside your body. Germs can also get onto outer clothing if you handle contaminated food, brush against a soiled object or nurse someone with an illness or clean up vomit. Most germs can't penetrate through normal skin but may harmlessly colonize it. Normal washing of clothes will reduce the risk of germs being transmitted. Heavily soiled items and items used in food preparation should be washed separately from other items. Drying clothes in a hot, dry air, rather than air drying helps kill bacteria in clothes. Students should be educated from very beginning. Clean air near you with washing of hands. In our daily living we touch lots of things like mobile phone, remote control, purse, credit cards, paper currency, doorknob, towel, refrigerator handles, clothes and so many things. Eye infections and respiratory tract infections are commonly caused by bacteria that get into the eyes from our hands. Contact with fecal matter laden with causative bacteria can lead to diarrhea and intestinal illness. This is why proper hand washing is the most effective way of removing germs and harmful bacteria from our hands. This prevents the spread of diseases and keeps our environment safe, fresh and clean. Sufficient soap and water or good alcohol-based sanitizers when water is not accessible should be used to clean hands, especially when they are dirty, after using toilet, before touching or eating food, and if you sneeze or cough into your hands. Washing hands will reduce the bacterial content on your hands.